In today's video, I'm going to review another perfume from Swiss Arabian, that is Ghazi. I haven't seen reviews from other YouTubers about this much. So I'm going to share with you what are my thoughts on them, which one I like the best. There are two versions, Ghazi and Ghazi Oud. So I'm going to discuss both of them, and I would suggest in the end which one is good for you and which one I like the best. So let's get started. I'm going to review this one. This is Ghazi and this is Gazi Oud. So let me show you the boxes over here like that. So this bluish one is actually Oud version and the other one is Ghazi. So these are the both versions of Ghazi, Gazi Oud and Ghazi. And first we are going to see the smell and notes of this Ghazi, the normal version of Ghazi. So let's open the box and grab the bottle. So here is the bottle. This is the shape, this is the juice inside. I think you cannot see the juice inside, but it has this is the body. Brown top with black and white in the middle at the neck. A little bit silver kind of touch over here. So it's going to focus my face. So here we have the bottle. So let's discuss the smell. I really don't like this one, but I am going to spray it anyhow because sometimes I'm very allergic to some of the perfumes. So I'm going to give it a spray. Let's do it in front of you. I don't want it to spill on my hands. Okay, so initially I am getting aquatic notes, aqua, watery, citrus, which is good. Opening is good. Watery citrus and very aquatic, very light and very aquatic. Okay, so next we are getting some florals, white florals, lily of the valley and these kind of florals. This is the point where I don't like this perfume. I really hate white florals. So whoever is watching, there is a simple tip. Never buy a perfume on a YouTube review. Just try to see whether you like these directions. For example, when I try to explain a perfume, I try to first give the overall scent profile, that is kind of flowery, or it is like oriental, or have some masalas in it, or very sweet, very musky, or things like that. If you do not know how it smells, make sure you get some samples before you buy a perfume. Okay, now it is giving me a headache because it has white florals. There's not much wood, a little bit of powderiness that is maybe in the background. White florals. So now the citrus is gone, aquatic notes are gone, which I really loved. I think they should last, at least the aquatic notes should last a little bit with rose or any other flower. That might look a bit good. It is a summer perfume. I think it is very fresh kind of aquatic and flowery. It is not powdery, right? Till now it is not powdery. A lot of flowers. So the mid tone right now, I think it is in the mid notes section. Top note is almost gone. So it is mostly florals. Maybe some tonka in the background, and they have listed sandalwood, but I'm not feeling any sandal over here. There might be amber, but amber is maybe in very small quantity. I am not sensing any earthiness in it from the amber. White florals, maybe sandal, maybe some musk. But right now it is on the second stage, which is actually white florals. So this is basically the direction of this perfume Ghazi. I don't want to take too much time to explain all this. It is close to somehow very fresh aquatic kind of floral. Floral aquatic is the category, I think, right category. floral aquatic kind of perfume. If you like or do like, some people do like these kind of perfumes, or some even women like white florals a lot, you can go for this one. Ghazi Swiss by Swiss Arabian. Now next I am going to review or tell you about the Gazi Oud, the other version, which is this one. So this is the box. Let me see if it can focus on it. Yes, this is the box, and let's open the bottle now. I think I have already shown you the box. I like its bottle more than the other one because it's transparent. It has this kind of top. Let's remove some of the dust or things like that. So particles. So this is basically Gazi Oud, and this is the juice inside it, with yellowish color of juice. I really like this bottle more than the other one, the black one. So this is and the top is also dark bluish. It is not pure black, it is dark bluish. So let's spray this. This is better. I like this one. If you like white florals, I think you should go for that one. Let's spray this one. Sprayer is also good. Okay, the first thing I got is incense and a little bit of tobacco. I think they haven't listed tobacco. Kind of little light kind of plastic vibe. Burnt plastic. A lot of people say when they get some Swiss Arabian perfumes that have some incensey or kind of oudi vibe, they have some of this plastic, like you are getting some burnt plastic. Okay, so this is basically incense, tobacco. Now that plastic vibe is gone, but I'm sensing tobacco and oud a lot. Oud is basically incense over here. It is not real oud, but they try to mimic it. Mostly if you like tobacco based fragrances, sweet fragrances, this is one of them. This is a cheaper version. They have listed amber, musk and oud and incense in their listing for their notes for this one, but I'm not getting any much of maybe amber. There is musk. I don't get any musk. Let's try to sniff from here because it is going to be the dry down. I'm not getting any musk. This is really different. It is kind of related to tobacco oud kind of perfumes. There are not a very unique thing. Yes, I think it is a cheaper version of tobacco oud. Sweet, a little bit of sweet, not to kind of strawberry sweet or anything like that. It is sweet, a little bit of incensey, and there is tobacco. I'm not sure why they haven't listed tobacco over there, but I am getting tobacco very prominently over here. Yes, I think I'm right about the notes. Maybe other noses, they might get more things over here, but Gazi Oud is basically incense. Then we have some tobacco. Then there is some oud, maybe in the background, some amber. I'm not detecting much musk because maybe the sweetness, a little bit of sweetness of this whole composition is due to musk. But that is my humble review about Gazi Oud and both of these Ghazi. Both of these Ghazis. Ghazi is actually, the literal meaning is actually the one who fight in a war and came back victorious. So they are not killed. Those are called basically Ghazis. So you can see there is a sword over here, Arabian sword. Let me see if it can zoom. You can see the top of the Ghazi word is actually a sword. and also here. So let's see if it can focus. I have to do it with my this hand. Yes, so I have to hide my face. So there is a sword in the written calligraphy at the top of this one, Ghazi. You can see it clearly right now. Okay, so this means Ghazi is actually the warrior who has won the war and came back alive. Yes, there is sweetness. Tobacco is not there when the dry down is. So if you want to sniff the dry down of a perfume, the best place is you sniff the nozzle over here and you will get the dry down. So this is all about Gazi Oud and Ghazi perfumes. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do press like and subscribe because I have very few subscribers. I will see you soon in another video with another scent. Till then, take care. Bye bye.